My special cat. I love my little tiger. Got a pink nose. Got little black lips. Got these white paws and white feet. You got pink little feet at the bottom. Colors your paws. Paws are white. You're slipping. I don't want you to slip. Hold on, we gotta get you back in here. There you go. You got that little pink nose. My pink nose. Got like black lips. You got white paws. You're so special. Look at your sister getting jealous like always. It's okay, Nala. We're gonna get to you next. Tiger. Tiger. Why are you so cute? Tiger. Tiger. Why are you so cute? You're such a cutie. You're such a cutie.